Hey there, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax here in Charleston. Today I have the pleasure of showing you guys a brand new 2023 Scout 350 LXZ. Alrighty, now that we're in the cockpit of the boat, I've got to show you the Transom lounge here. So nice, comfortable seat, 2, if not 3 people, cup holders and rod holders on both sides. Hold these button here and it converts to an easy lounge. But just underneath that standard seat is the bait well. So it's just underneath. In the back here, we have a quick and easy wash down hose for fresh, as well as for raw on the port side. You'll see 2 Transom walk-through doors, conveniently with walk-through doors to tuck the kids in or the dogs in. But this gives you full, easy access of the full transom, regardless of which side of the boat you go on. We'll tuck that back away. On the starboard side here, we have another lounge seat that pulls out, as well as an aft-facing one there. On the port side, we have our standard in-swinging door. This is great at the docking, or you can drop in your dive ladder and keep the kids up away from the engines. But that goes right through. Easy access, like again, to the dock or at your final destination for some swimming. Under port and starboard, we have fish boxes. And as well, you have a systems access in the aft deck here. This boat is equipped with a Seakeeper, but it runs off a lithium-ion system. So no generator on board, but a lithium-ion battery bank to support that Seakeeper, your grill option, your ACs, and whatnot. So the boat has charging systems for both your house system as well as your lithium system. On the hardtop, we have a sureshade. We'll hit a button here in a little bit and we'll show you that extend all the way out. And you get basically 2/3 of that boat fully covered underneath the shade. So as we walk over here, you'll see how we have the summer kitchen option. Full Corian countertop, cutting board, but underneath here, we have a Kenyan electric grill with inverter system. We have opted this boat with the additional Garmin screen. So this is a 16-inch touch screen. Same systems that you have on your dash there, but we can see our switching. We can control that stuff from here. I can go to my stereo and control it from here. All the fun stuff. We do have a sink at the wet bar with fresh water. My favorite part is the bar stools. It's a great little spot to hang out. Again, right underneath the hardtop, or I can extend that shade for some afternoon sun. But this is a great spot just to cruise and ride, or just sit at the sandbar. And these conveniently tuck away. And then we have our standard power cooler. This is a fiberglass insulated cooler box that Scout has engineered, and that tucks back in. Over here, you have an aft lounge as well. So a nice little comfortable seat tucked in, or we can have it right here with the flip lounge. Nice and convenient place to kick back. Underneath here, we have storage drawers as well. We love the amount of storage on this boat. I do have a 110 outlet here for that inverter system that's off that grill. As we transition here into the helm, you'll see our acrylic dash also incorporates our flush mounted Garmin 16-inch display. This houses all of our boat systems, but as well as our navigation, fishing capabilities. We have simple touch buttons for windlass, wiper, windshield wiper, horn, bilge, but otherwise your lights, your pumps, all that stuff runs through your digital switching system. We have AC at the helm, which we have nice blowing on this hot summer day. We have the Mercury vessel view display for our triple 300 Mercury Verados with the joystick system for Mercury Marine. So it's got that autopilot integration there. We have standard zip wake system, which is your auto trim tab system. That's on board, as well as a VHF system. The boat does have a Fusion stereo system with JL audio upgrade. So it's got that subwoofer, which we can see down below here, and as well as amplifiers and additional speakers. At the helm, it's a flip seat helm, so you can sit nice and proud. Armrest for nice, easy cruises. Or I can flip that up, get it out of the way for a docking system. We'll transition over to the port side here, and you'll see our dinette. Single seat over here. Right now I've got it converted in the tables. This converts down to a filler, all the way as well down to the floor if you want it out of the way entirely, just for bench seats. But you have companies for 2 to 3 sitting there with armrest, and as well as a single here, and you have more storage as we move through. All these seats have storage underneath, so ample storage, ample features on this incredible boat. Now I want to take you guys down to the cabin. Nice convenient slide door tucks away. easy transition down in here. Alrighty, now that we're down in the cabin, you can see this beautiful accent lighting, as well as a 32-inch TV on our port side, cabinetry with storage. And then just forward, you'll see this little folded up cushion. This is your filler, so this becomes a sleeper for two. I do have the AC blowing nice and cold down below, but it also has heat standard. We have USB charging down here, as well as 110 outlets. We have storage underneath all these seats. We'll transition and show you guys here the head. We have a full walk-in head with shower. Alrighty, now I'm gonna take you up to the bow. I love the sliding windshield from Scout, as well as their walk-through door. Nice and clean, easy design. One of the best I've seen in the industry. As we come up, we'll walk around that port side, and now we have Chase Lounge seats across. This boat does have a filler, which we'll show you guys that here shortly. We have seating for 3, armrests, cup holders, USB chargers, and as well as a stereo control here in the bow. We have windlass control, as well as cup holders / rod holders. Now you can see the bow filler's in. Nice, comfortable pad, whether you're laying out, getting some sun, or everybody just wants to have a cocktail and kind of kick back up here. But great use of space, also nice little day bed. I hope you guys enjoyed your tour of our 350 LXZ from Scout Boats. Again, my name is Dotson Geis with MarineMax here in Charleston. Please reach us at 843-747-1889 if you'd like to see your showing today.